Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to easily add an application using the Emma platform. Deploying your application. Begin by clicking Deploy App, then select your project and choose Add Application. Next, we'll add a primary node virtual machine. Let's choose a region. I'll select North America, and then select a virtual machine recommended by Emma. Proceed by configuring your security group and security key, set up your password, and click on Create Application. Your application deployment order is now successfully initiated. Viewing application details. Once your application has been deployed, you can easily access detailed information. Let's use the example of an existing Postgres application. Click on your application to view comprehensive details, including provider, operating system, CPU, memory, storage configurations, and network settings. Monitoring application performance. Emma also provides extensive monitoring features, giving you visibility into CPU, RAM, and storage usage. If you require deeper insights, Emma lets you monitor additional metrics such as disk read, write speeds, and network traffic. You can conveniently adjust the monitoring timeline from as brief as 4 hours up to 30 days to suit your needs. Detailed analytics. For even more detailed analysis, click on Analytics. Here, you'll find granular metrics, including minimum, maximum, average, and median values for CPU, RAM, storage, disk I/O, and network performance. With Emma, comprehensive application deployment and monitoring become simple and efficient.